Hello, welcome to Dr. Mansi's Friday Home Remedy number 2. As rain is increasing, so are diseases of rain, especially stomach pain, joint pain and cold. So, the home remedy of this Friday is Sund, that is dried ginger. So, if you are having stomach pain, then take Sund powder, mix it with jaggery, make tablets and have it before meals. If you're suffering from a lot of cold and blocked sinuses, take Sund powder in a pan, heat it and inhale the fumes through your nose. And lastly, if you have joint pain because the coldness of the rains, then apply dry Sund powder to all your joints which are paining at bedtime. So, isn't Sund, that is dry ginger, a wonder for rainy season? So, hope you like this tip and do keep connected with us on every Friday for more home remedies. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Thank you.